If you will be kind enough to recollect that during my life I had never once, not for a moment, been without the support, the guidance, the protection of my elders, you will accept my words as being without exaggeration when I tell you that at that moment I was certain I had been placed in a coffin. My coffin. It's hardly to be wondered, then, that I burst into tears of vexation, crying with fear, rage, and humiliation.
I find it amazing that even though she is embarrassed and vexed, she is so polite, she, referring to Charlotte, of course, even writes in her journal that she would like us to be kind enough to let her recollect her thoughts.
Yeah, I agree with that too, and also the fact that she's so disgusted and humiliated, Charlotte feels as if she's been put in a coffin.
It's almost as if she has been so humiliated and scared that she's completely petrified, and then she even goes on and says, I was still stooped over crying when yet another knock came upon my cabin door. Attempting to stifle my tears, I turned about to see an old black man who, in the light of the little lantern he was holding, looked like the very imp of death in search of souls.
Imp? I know that it's a small demon, but what does that refer to the man with the lantern?
I know for a man he can't be that small, unless he's not actually a grown man and Charlotte is mistaking him for a boy.
This is true, but that's not what I meant. I meant that the way the light could be facing him, Charlotte could have thought he was as scary as an imp. Maybe not short.
That is a great thought. And maybe she doesn't necessarily mean to call him a tiny demon. It just fit together like a puzzle piece or something with the description of searching for souls.
Yeah,